Welcome to the May 2024 episode of One Man's Meat is Another Man's Poison. I am Dr. Joy Odimegu, and today we'll discuss tomatoes and cancers. Our humble tomatoes have compounds in them that can both prevent and kill cancer cells. Tomatoes are well known all over the world. They are classified as vegetables by nutritionists, but they are actually fruits botanically because they are berries. Cancer drug discovery research has since found out that the compound lycopene in tomatoes and other pink, orange, red colored fruits is the main chemical compound responsible for their cancer fighting powers. Lycopene functions as an antioxidant. It shields the cells from damage during its preventative function, and it makes cancer cells die in its curative function. This is all just too amazing for words. One may ask, how many tomatoes should I consume to gain from it? That is valid to ask because standardization is very crucial in herbal medicine. Consuming tomatoes for prevention of cancer is valid, and consuming it during cancer treatment is also valid. How much lycopene is in tomatoes? The amount is determined by certain conditions. Firstly, ripe red tomatoes generally have more lycopene than unripe or green ones. Then, the type of tomato also matters. Cherry tomatoes, for instance, have higher lycopene content compared to other types of tomatoes. Lastly, the type of processing used for the fruit. Cooked tomatoes and tomato products like paste and sauce often contain more bioavailable lycopene than raw tomatoes. And this is because the heat used in processing tomatoes breaks down the cell walls of the fruit, making it easier for the body to absorb the lycopene at consumption. Sun-dried tomatoes contain more lycopene than fresh, and this is because the drying process concentrates the nutrients present in the tomatoes, including lycopene. Thicker skin or dried tomatoes helps to reduce bacteria and microorganisms from spoiling the tomatoes, hence enhancing lycopene contents. So this information about processing is very crucial because nowadays there are new fads in nutrition that sometimes generalize and suggest that the raw is always better, not in the case of tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes on average contain about 3 to 4 milligrams of lycopene per 100 grams, and a medium sized tomato is about 180 milligrams in weight. Real tomato puree also contains a significant amount of lycopene with about 21.8 milligrams per 100 grams. Canned tomatoes contribute around 2.7 milligrams per 100 grams. In a research on prostate cancer that they used lycopene to treat, they used 14 to 16 milligrams to treat the patient, and this showed some significant results. Lycopene has been linked in researches that improve patients' conditions in cases of oral cancer, stomach cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer. Consuming tomatoes with high iron foods hinder lycopene absorption. Note again, tomatoes should not be consumed with iron-rich foods, for instance, steaks, beef, lentils, and spinach. In June, we'll be discussing foods and natural condiment mixtures for maximum nutrient absorption. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.